Happy day, everybody! Today, we are going to talk about farm animals. Here, we are going to check the picture if it is a farm animal and cross it out if not. Is a cow a farm animal? Yes. Is a giraffe a farm animal? No. Is an ox a farm animal? No. Is a carabao a farm animal? Yes. Is a zebra a farm animal? No. Is a calf a farm animal? Yes. Is a pig a farm animal? Yes. Is a horse a farm animal? Yes. Is a turkey a farm animal? Yes. What about a bison? No. Is a duck a farm animal? Yes. What about a rooster? Yes. What about a sheep? Yes. What about an elephant? No. Is a deer a farm animal? No. What about a goat? Yes. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Bye bye, kids.